Hey! In front of me is ZTE blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Then choose more connected settings and tap on advanced. Now select printing section at the top and tap on default print service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one thanks to this switcher and tap on the back button. Then choose Add Service instead and install the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Now click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!